The lynx is a medium-sized wild cat known for its distinctive appearance and is well adapted to cold, northern environments. Here's an overview of the life of lynx. 1. Species and distribution. There are 4 species of lynx: the Eurasian lynx, the Canadian lynx, the Iberian lynx, and the bobcat. They are found in different parts of the world, with the Eurasian lynx in Europe and Asia, the Canadian lynx in North America, the Iberian lynx in the Iberian Peninsula, and the bobcat in North America. 2. Physical characteristics. Lynx species typically have tufted ears, a short bobbed tail, and a coat with distinctive spots or markings. Their fur is thick and often has a gray or brown coloration, providing effective camouflage in their natural habitats. 3. Habitat preferences. Lynx inhabit various types of environments, including forests, tundra, and mountainous regions. They are well adapted to cold climates and often have features such as large paws for walking on snow and dense fur for insulation. 4. Hunting and diet. Lynx are carnivores, and their primary prey consists of small to medium-sized mammals. They are skilled hunters and have a preference for snowshoe hares, but they also feed on rodents, birds, and ungulates when available. 5. Territorial behavior. Lynx are territorial animals, and the size of their territories can vary based on factors such as prey abundance and distribution. They use scent marking and vocalizations to establish and defend their territories. 6. Reproduction. The reproductive behavior of lynx varies among species, but generally, they give birth to a small number of kittens after a gestation period of around 2 months. The mother raises and cares for the kittens in a den, and they stay with her for several months before becoming independent. 7. Communication. Lynx communicate through vocalizations, including growls, meows, and hisses. They also use body language, such as tail movements and facial expressions, to convey information to other lynx. 8. Adaptations for hunting. Lynx have several adaptations that make them effective hunters. Their keen eyesight and acute hearing help them locate prey, and their powerful hind legs enable them to make impressive leaps when pouncing on prey. 9. Seasonal movements. In some regions, lynx exhibit seasonal movements in response to changes in prey availability. For example, they may follow the migration patterns of herbivores or adjust their range based on the abundance of snowshoe hares. 10. Interaction with humans. Lynx populations can come into contact with human activities, leading to various interactions. In some cases, they may prey on livestock, which can result in conflicts with farmers. Conservation efforts aim to balance the needs of lynx with human interests. 11. Conservation status. The conservation status of lynx species varies. Some, like the Iberian lynx, are critically endangered, while others, like the Canadian lynx, are listed as least concern. Conservation measures focus on protecting habitats, managing prey populations, and mitigating human-wildlife conflicts. 12. Adaptations to cold climates. Lynx in colder environments have adaptations to cope with low temperatures, including a dense fur coat, fur-covered paws for insulation, and long whiskers that help them navigate in the dark. 13. Bobcat characteristics. The bobcat, a species of lynx, is found in various habitats across North America. It is characterized by its short tail, tufted ears, and a reddish-brown coat with distinctive spots. 14. Solitary nature. Lynx are generally solitary animals, with adults maintaining territories that they defend against other lynx. The exception is during the breeding season when mating pairs may form. 15. Lynx and snowshoe hares. The population dynamics of lynx are often linked to the availability of snowshoe hares, a key prey species. Lynx populations may experience cyclical fluctuations in response to changes in the hare population. Understanding the life of lynx involves recognizing their adaptations to specific environments, their roles as predators, and the conservation challenges they face in a world where human activities increasingly impact their habitats. Conservation efforts play a crucial role in ensuring the survival of these iconic wild cats. 16 Lynx senses and stealth. Lynx possess acute senses, including keen eyesight and excellent hearing. Their remarkable ability to move silently allows them to stalk prey effectively. The tufts on their ears are thought to enhance their hearing. 17 Iberian lynx conservation efforts. The Iberian lynx is one of the most endangered cat species globally. Conservation programs in Spain and Portugal focus on habitat restoration, captive breeding, and reintroduction efforts to boost its population. 18 Lynx and lynx cubs behavior. Lynx cubs, when born, are dependent on their mothers for care and protection. As they grow, mothers teach them essential hunting and survival skills, preparing them for independence. 19 Lynx and snow adaptations. Lynx in northern regions have adaptations to thrive in snowy environments. Their large, fur-covered paws act like snowshoes, allowing them to walk on snow without sinking. This adaptation is crucial for stalking prey in winter conditions. 20 Lynx vocalizations. Lynx communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including growls, meows, and cat or walls. These sounds serve various purposes, such as marking territory, mating calls, and communication between mother and offspring. 21 Lynx as ambush predators. Lynx are ambush predators that rely on stealth to get close to their prey before making a powerful leap to capture it. Their well-developed hind legs provide the strength needed for these leaps. 22 Lynx and bobcat interactions. In regions where their ranges overlap, such as parts of North America, Eurasian lynx and bobcats may share habitats. While they generally avoid direct competition, they might compete for resources like prey. 23 Lynx and climate change. Climate change can impact lynx habitats, affecting the distribution and abundance of their prey species. Changes in snow cover, temperature, and vegetation patterns can pose challenges for lynx populations. 24 Lynx population monitoring. Scientists use various methods to monitor lynx populations, including camera traps, radio collars, and genetic analysis. These tools help researchers gather data on population size, movement patterns, and genetic diversity. 25 Eurasian lynx and European ecosystems. The Eurasian lynx is considered a keystone species in European ecosystems. Its presence can influence prey populations, preventing overgrazing, and promoting biodiversity in forested areas. 26 Lynx and carrion feeding. While lynx primarily hunt live prey, they may also scavenge carrion when the opportunity arises. Carrion provides an additional food source, especially during periods when hunting is less successful. 27 Lynx and wildlife corridors. Maintaining wildlife corridors is crucial for lynx conservation, as these cats require interconnected habitats for movement and genetic diversity. Conservation efforts often involve creating and preserving these corridors. 28 Bobcat and urban adaptation. The bobcat has demonstrated a degree of adaptability to urban environments. In some regions, they may be found in suburban areas, utilizing green spaces and adapting to human presence. 29 Lynx and prey population cycles. The population dynamics of lynx are often linked to cyclic fluctuations in prey populations, such as the snowshoe hare cycle in North America. Lynx numbers may increase during periods of high prey abundance. 30 Lynx and lynx conservation organizations. Conservation organizations, such as the Lynx Specialist Group of the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, work to coordinate and implement conservation initiatives for lynx species globally. 31 Lynx and human-induced mortality. Lynx face threats from human-induced mortality, including habitat fragmentation, vehicle collisions, and illegal trapping. Conservation efforts focus on mitigating these threats to ensure the survival of lynx populations. 32 Lynx and home range size. The size of a lynx's home range can vary based on factors such as prey availability and habitat quality. Home ranges of males are generally larger than those of females. 33 Lynx and snow dens. Lynx may use snow dens for shelter, particularly in regions with deep snow cover. These dens provide protection from harsh weather and may serve as birthing sites for females. 34 Eurasian lynx and livestock depredation. The Eurasian lynx has been associated with livestock depredation in some areas. Management strategies aim to reduce conflicts, such as implementing protective measures for livestock and compensating farmers for losses. 35 Lynx and rodent population control. Lynx contribute to controlling rodent populations by preying on small mammals. This role is ecologically significant in maintaining balanced ecosystems and preventing overgrazing of vegetation. 36 Bobcat and urban wildlife management. Urban wildlife management plans may include considerations for bobcats, addressing issues such as conflicts with pets, vehicle collisions, and creating awareness to coexist with these adaptable predators. 37 Lynx and human legends. Lynx have featured in various legends and folklore across cultures. Their elusive nature and mysterious behavior have contributed to their symbolic significance in storytelling. 38 Lynx and conservation genetics. Conservation genetic studies help assess the genetic health and connectivity of lynx populations. Understanding genetic diversity is crucial for effective conservation management. 39 Lynx and prey selection strategies. Lynx exhibit strategies for selecting prey based on factors such as prey availability, energy efficiency, and seasonal variations in prey populations. Their hunting behavior reflects adaptability to changing conditions. 40 Lynx and game management. In regions where lynx coexist with game species, their presence is considered in game management plans. Balancing the needs of both predators and game species is essential for sustainable wildlife management. 41 Lynx and snowshoe hare dynamics. The relationship between lynx and snowshoe hares is a classic example of predator-prey dynamics. Lynx populations often follow the cyclic fluctuations in snowshoe hare numbers, with lynx numbers increasing during periods of high hare abundance. 42 Lynx and apex predator roles. Lynx play a role as an apex predator in their ecosystems. Their presence helps regulate prey populations, preventing overgrazing, and maintaining a healthy balance in the food web. 43 Eurasian lynx and reintroduction programs. Reintroduction programs for the Eurasian lynx have been implemented in various European countries to restore populations in regions where they have been extirpated. These programs involve releasing captive bred lynx into suitable habitats. 44 Lynx and the role of forestry practices. Forestry practices can impact lynx habitats. Conservation efforts involve promoting sustainable forestry practices that maintain suitable habitats and connectivity for lynx movement. 45 Lynx and adaptations for stealth. The lynx's coat provides excellent camouflage in its natural habitat. Its spotted or mottled fur pattern helps it blend seamlessly with the surrounding vegetation, enhancing its stealth during hunting. 46 Lynx and rodent abundance. In addition to larger prey, lynx may also target rodents when larger prey is scarce. This flexibility in diet contributes to their ability to adapt to varying environmental conditions. 47 Lynx and caching kills. Lynx may exhibit caching behavior, where they store excess kills for later consumption. This behavior is influenced by factors such as prey availability and the lynx's need to conserve energy. 48 Lynx and prey handling techniques. Lynx have specialized techniques for handling prey. They may carry larger kills for a distance before settling down to feed, reducing the risk of scavengers stealing their food. 49 Lynx and vocal communication with offspring. Lynx mothers use vocalizations to communicate with their offspring, especially during the early stages of their lives. Vocal cues help coordinate movements and reinforce the bond between mothers and kittens. 50 Lynx and cannibalism. In certain situations, lynx may exhibit cannibalistic behavior, particularly during times of food scarcity. This behavior is considered a survival strategy when alternative food sources are limited. 51 Lynx and habitat fragmentation. Habitat fragmentation poses a significant threat to lynx populations. Roads and developments can divide their habitats, making it challenging for lynx to access resources and limiting genetic connectivity. 52 Lynx and denning sites. Lynx choose denning sites carefully for giving birth and raising their kittens. These sites are typically well hidden, providing protection for the vulnerable young lynx. 53 Lynx and mating season behavior. During the mating season, lynx may engage in courtship behaviors, including vocalizations and scent marking. Males may actively seek out females, and competition between males for mates can occur. 54 Iberian lynx and conservation in Spain. The Iberian lynx, native to the Iberian Peninsula, has been the focus of intensive conservation efforts in Spain. These efforts involve habitat restoration, captive breeding, and monitoring to increase population numbers. 55 Lynx and adaptation to nocturnal activity. Lynx are crepuscular and nocturnal hunters, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. Their adaptations, such as specialized eyesight, aid in low-light conditions, enhancing their ability to hunt during these periods. 56 Lynx and cross-species interactions. Lynx may interact with other carnivores in their ecosystems, including wolves and coyotes. These interactions can influence competition for prey, space, and overall ecosystem dynamics. 57 Lynx and genetic diversity concerns. Maintaining genetic diversity within lynx populations is crucial for their long-term survival. Inbreeding can lead to reduced fitness and adaptability, highlighting the importance of genetic management in conservation programs. 58 Lynx and sensory whiskers. Lynx have long, sensitive whiskers that aid in navigation and hunting in low-light conditions. These whiskers detect changes in air currents and touch, providing valuable information about the lynx's surroundings. 59 Lynx and migration patterns. Some lynx populations exhibit migration patterns in search of food or suitable breeding habitats. Understanding these movements is essential for effective conservation planning. 60 Lynx and capture and release studies. Scientific studies often involve capturing and temporarily marking lynx for research purposes. These studies provide valuable insights into lynx behavior, population dynamics, and health. 61 Lynx and conservation partnerships. Conservation of lynx often involves partnerships between government agencies, conservation organizations, researchers, and local communities. Collaborative efforts are crucial for implementing effective conservation strategies. 62 Lynx and veterinary care in captivity. Lynx involved in captive breeding or rehabilitation programs receive veterinary care to ensure their well-being. This care includes health assessments, disease prevention, and rehabilitation protocols. 63 Lynx and evolutionary history. Studying the evolutionary history of lynx provides insights into their adaptations over time. Genetic research helps trace their lineage and understand how they have evolved in response to environmental changes. 64 Lynx and disease monitoring. Monitoring the health of wild lynx populations includes studying disease prevalence and potential threats. Disease monitoring is crucial for early detection and management to prevent outbreaks. 65 Lynx and conservation challenges in Europe. Conservation challenges for lynx in Europe include human-wildlife conflicts, habitat loss, and ensuring connectivity between populations. Address